Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will be going over the Personal Lockout feature in the TopstepX platform. On the left side, you see a gear. Clicking on the gear will bring you to the settings area. We have a menu across the top. Be sure you're under the Risk Settings tab. And on the right-hand side, you will see the Personal Lockouts. By setting a lockout, you will no longer be able to trade during that particular time frame. For example, we could choose the New York session, which is open now. Once the market opens again, we can choose the London or the Tokyo session or the Sydney session. You simply will not be able to trade between these time frames. If you choose one, simply choose yes, lock me out, and you'll get a confirmation as well. It pertains to this particular account, whichever one you have highlighted in your trading system. You can also just say, I want to lock myself out for 15 minutes and lock yourself out. For example, if you feel yourself overtrading or what they call going on tilt, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or all day. Finally, you can also choose custom, where you can set your time to lock out until, not a problem. The second piece is the trade clock. Now we need to have an active position on in order to set this. And basically what this will do is not allow us to trade with a position on until that position is finished. So let's go over to here. I have a temporary combine. Just to make it easy, we're putting a buy on MES. And let's go back to our settings. And now we can have a trade clock where we can say, hey, I don't want to take any more trades within this time frame. So let's put this on 1 minute, for example, enable the trade clock, and it will give us the amount of time that we are locked out from trading. So if we go back over, we can flatten and cancel all, but you'll notice that none of the other options are available. And this is a good feature for those that may want to add to losing trades or get stuck in overtrading if the market is moving too quickly. And as you can see, we have a trade clock here. We have a trade clock here. And if we just go and choose the lock,
order filled,
flatten and cancel all, we can see that we can now enter another trade, and that disables the shot clock. And there you have it. This has been an episode for the Personal Lockout feature in TopstepX.